So now today we are going to see how can we insert image into our HTML document. So first of all we will go to our HTML folder. In this folder I am going to create a file, and name of this file is image.html. This folder is in desktop. You can easily see that this is my HTML folder. In this folder I have created a file whose name is image. Right now there is nothing in this file. Now here I am pressing shift and exclamation mark to get my Emmet code, and here in the body section we will be doing all our coding. So first of all I will be writing h1, within bracket I am writing images. Now to get image we have tag imgsrc. Here within double quotes we have to give image address. It has one more attribute, alt, which gives alternative text if in case image is not displayed for some reason. Next it has attribute is height. This height will be in pixels and we have to give it in double quotes, and then is width. Width is also in pixels. So first of all I will insert this image which is directly in my HTML folder. So name of this image is pic, and its extension is png. So here I will give name pic.png. Alternative text is a text if in case image is not displayed, then that text will be displayed. So we will write can't be displayed. Now we have to give width and height of image. So first of all we will see what is the width and height of our image. Here we will right click on image, go to properties. Here in properties we'll go to details, and here it is showing that width of the image is 225 and height is 225. So we want to give small size, we want to get small size of image, so I'm writing here 100 and 100 pixel width and 100 pixel height. Save it and click on go live. So it has displayed our image. Now second condition is that I want to get image from this folder. This is image folder inside my HTML folder. I'm opening this folder. Now I want to get this image. For that again we'll write img space src equals, within double quotes we'll give 2 dots /. Now I have to go to HTML folder. This is my HTML folder. In this folder I have to go to image folder. This is my image folder, and in this image folder I want to get this image. So this is my image name. Double quotes close, then alternative text alt equals to image can't be displayed. Then we have to set width and height. We already know how can we check the width and height of image. Here I am giving 100 pixel only, and height equals to, within double quotes I am giving 100 pixel. Save it and click on go live. So it has shown our second image. Now third, we want to get the image in image1 folder, which is inside image folder. So we can see that we are in HTML folder. In HTML folder we have image folder, and in image folder I have image1 folder. I want to get this picture. So again what we will do, img space src equals within double quotes 2 dots 1 forward slash. Now here we have to go to HTML folder. This is HTML folder. In HTML folder I have to go to image folder. This is image folder. In this image folder one more folder is there, that is image1. This is image1 folder, and in this image1 folder my picture is pic1.jfif. Now put alternative text. Alt equals image can't be displayed, and set the width and height of the image. Width equals to, I am giving 100 pixel, and height equals to 100 pixel. Save the program, click on go live, and we have got our third image.